Okay, so here the question is, find the directional derivative of function phi is given 4xz cube minus 3x square y square z at 2 minus 1 2 along 2I cap minus 3j cap plus k cap. So here we need to find the directional derivative for the given function. Okay, so for that what I am going to do is, first I'll write the formula for directional derivative. Directional derivative is nothing but del phi dot of n cap. So here we need to find del into phi, that is nothing but the gradient, and then a unit vector. First I'll find del into phi. So we know what is the definition of del. Del is nothing but I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into phi function. What is the phi given to you? This one, that is 4xz cube minus 3x square y square z. So this is a normal multiplication, so multiply this whole function with respect to x, y and z, that is I into dou by dou x of 4xz cube minus 3x square y square z plus j into dou by dou y of 4xz cube minus 3x square y square z plus k into dou by dou z of this thing, that is 4xz cube minus 3x square y square z. Okay. Now differentiate only with respect to x. So I into, so here in the first one we can see the x is present, so 4z cube will be out. So differentiation of only with x minus, here also x is present, so 3y square z will be out. So only dou by dou x of x square plus j into, in first term there is no y present, so differentiation is 0. Here there is y present, so 3x square z will be out, dou by dou y of only y square plus k into, in first term there is z, so 4x will be out, dou by dou z of z cube minus, here also z is present, so 3x square y square will be out, dou by dou z of z. So finally you get the answer I into 4z cube, because x with respect to x differentiation is 1, minus 3y square z, differentiation of x with respect to x square, so that is nothing but 2x plus j into, so here minus 3x square z, y with respect to y square differentiation is 2y plus k into 4x, z with respect to z cube differentiation is 3z square minus 3x square y square, z with respect to z is 1. So finally you get this, that is I into 4z cube minus 3 2s are 6 y square zx plus into minus, you can take it as minus j into 3 2s are 6x square zy plus k into 4 3s are 12x square minus 3x square y square. This is nothing but your del into 5. Okay. So this is your del into 5. Now you need to find, so the points is given 2, minus 1 and 2. So that is 2, minus 1 and 2 points are given. So take the 3 coordinates, first as x, second as y, third as z. So wherever there is x in this whole equation, put 2, wherever there is y, put minus 1, and wherever there is z, 2. So this is your del into 5. So what will get if you put the values? That is del phi is equals to I into 4 into, so here we have z, so what is the z value? We have 2, so 2 cube minus 6 into, so we have next y square, so y value is minus 1 the whole square, z value is again 2 and x value is again 2, minus j into 6 of x is 2 square, z is again 2, y is again minus 1 plus k into 12 of x is again 2, z is again 2 square minus 3 into x is again 2 square and y is minus 1 the whole square. So I have just put the value, so I do not show If you put the values, you're getting this only. So after solving this in calculator, I'll solve directly. So I'll write the answer. You get something 32 minus 24 minus j into 24 plus 96 minus 12. So you directly put this all these values in the calculator and you will get this answer. So final answer you get is 8 into I cap minus 24 into j cap plus 84 into k cap. This is nothing but your del phi at the given points 2 minus 1 2. Okay, now I need to find n cap. Okay, because I told you the formula is del phi dot n cap. Del phi I've got, I need to find n cap. So the given vector in the question, I'll write it down as n vector, that is 2i minus 3j plus k. So that I'll take as n vector 2i cap minus 3j plus k. Okay, I need to find unit vector for this. The formula is n vector divided by magnitude of n vector. So that is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. Magnitude of this vector is 2 square plus 3 square. So no number, 1 square. So you get the answer finally here. That is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap divided by root 14. So now directional derivative formula is del phi dot of unit vector. So del phi we have here, I'll write it down, 8i minus 24j plus 24j plus 84k dot product with n cap, which we have got is 2i plus 3j plus k divided by root 14. So you know how to find the dot product, coefficients of I, coefficients of j and coefficients of k. That is 8 into 2 plus minus 24 into 3 plus 84 into, since there is no number with k, so it is 1 divided by root 14. So after solving this completely, that is I can solve 8 2s are you get 16 plus into minus minus 24 into 3 is 72 plus 84 divided by root 14. So finally you get the answer 172 by root 14. So this is how you find the directional derivative. Thank you.